What is it? This is slime? No, this is big constructor. Oh no, my tower is crushed. But what is it? Hubba Bubba!
Yummy!
Friends, let's make giant Hubba Bubba.
Go, 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 go!
I'm ready! Let's do this! Wow! Pudra! Water! And shake this! And one small ingredient. It's very easy. Wow! It's very satisfying. And good, smash it. Oh no! Phew, guys, it's very hard. It's time to try giant Hubba Bubba. Wow! It's really giant Hubba Bubba. Look at this! I can't eat this! It is really giant Hubba Bubba! Who is it? What do you want? If you like my videos, let's go see my next video!